Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Tone wallet to Monorix. Right, to connect it you have to follow the certain steps here. So you have to just go and open your Monorix bot. Right, as you can see here, so you have to just go and open it up and you will able to find it. And if you don't find it, you can just go and click on Monorix bot here, and here you will able to view in your Telegram. Right, and you can just go and click on send message and you will be able to access it. Now go to the wallet section, click on the wallet option typically found in the bottom right corner of the bot interface here, and then you have to select the connect wallet option. You will present it with several options including Tone wallet, my Tone wallet, Tone hub, and you have to just go and select the Tone wallet. Right, click on the appropriate option to initiate the connecting process here. If you choose Tone keeper, for example, you may be redirected to a new page, new page where you need to click on connect wallet again and enter your wallet pin. Wait for the confirmation, it will just take a few seconds and the connection will be established. And here note, the withdrawal may not be immediately available according to information. You might have to wait for a specific period, for example after 30 days after connecting your wallet before you can withdraw. So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.